Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use card discounts in Amazon. First, let's find those valuable savings. You can often discover current card promotions directly on Amazon's deals page or within the payment section of your account. It's also a smart move to check your specific credit or debit card issuer's website, as they frequently have exclusive Amazon offers. Make sure your eligible card is already linked to your Amazon account for the smoothest experience. Once you've identified a great card discount, the next step is simple. Start shopping. Add all the products you wish to buy to your Amazon shopping cart. When you're ready to finalize your purchase, simply proceed to the secure checkout page. Before moving forward, take a moment to quickly verify that all the items in your cart are indeed eligible for the specific card discount you plan to use. This helps avoid any surprises later on. Now for the exciting part, applying your discount. On the payment page during checkout, carefully select the eligible credit or debit card that offers the promotion. Sometimes, the discount will automatically appear once the correct card is chosen. Other times, you might need to look for a specific promotional code field to enter a code provided by your card issuer. Always double-check that the discount is reflected before proceeding. You're almost there. The final, crucial step is to carefully review your entire order summary. This is where you confirm that the card discount has been successfully applied and that the total price reflects your savings. Take a moment to check the final amount before you complete your purchase. Once everything looks correct and you see that wonderful reduced total, you can confidently place your order and enjoy your Amazon savings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.